Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 5 Mark IV, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications like this. Do so once more, and this will present you with a broader view of the toggles that we have access to. On one of the pages, we should see a hotspot toggle. So for me, it's right over here. Once you see this toggle, hold it, at least the first time around. And the reason for this is in here, you will find your hotspot password. By default, the phone just randomly generates some garbage password, so I recommend just clicking on it, completely getting rid of this one, because number one, it's not easy to type it in, and number two, it's most certainly not easy to remember. So once you remove it, you can set up your own password, and it only needs to have 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, it doesn't really matter. From there, click on OK, and that's the only thing that I would recommend changing. You have a couple additional settings in here, but I would recommend keeping them as they are if you don't know what they do. This will ensure that your hotspot works basically every single time you need it. Anyway, once you have set it up, you can close this and find the toggle once more. Simply tap on it, and there we go. Hotspot is now enabled, and you can connect to it. Now, once you're done with it, you can manually turn it off by simply tapping on it. But if you forget about it, don't worry, the phone will turn it off for you if you haven't changed that setting. There was an option to turn off hotspot automatically, I believe, after 10 minutes of an activity. So I recommend keeping that on. If you forget, it will turn it off for you, and thus you won't be wasting your battery. Now, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.